Hi, welcome to this video today. We're on the 11th of March. We're on Wednesday. Just going to give our updated outlook for the euro today. We're going to look at the euro against both the USD and the JPY, and also some euro correlated currencies against the USD. We'll go to the charts in a moment. Now, we expect plenty of action tomorrow. We think the ECB could do more than the market expects, and that will trigger plenty of volatility. Now, in terms of the charts, what we are going to do is we are going to go and take a look at them right now. But just before we do so, please obviously keep in mind it is my view as of right now. It can of course change in line with the market conditions and action. If you want all our trading techniques, our daily technical sentiment analysis of 14 Forex pairs, all you need to do is click on the link beneath this video and you will get live access to our member centre. Right, in terms of charts, we'll do Euro USD first. All right, Euro USD. It's a daily chart, and I'll draw my technicals at the moment, which are fairly simple in terms of the way we see the background of tomorrow's ECB meeting. I pointed out up here the euro proxies have already turned down. They very often offer better opportunities than Euro USD. I know I say that frequently, but they do, and they look like they've got a long way to go on the downside. We think the euro is going down as well because the ECB tomorrow are going to go big, in our view, in terms of measures that they put in place to support the zone. But I'll just start by going through these points. Markets are currently pricing in 100% chance the ECB will cut rates by 10 basis points. They do have the opportunity to raise quantitative easing QE, which would be deemed a more dramatic move if undertaken. More dramatic move, I think it's just about guaranteed. And I think they're going to go bigger than the market expects. A lot of economists and analysts think the ECB are restricted with how much they can do. They're not under their mandate, okay? And I posted a full explanation of this in the Facebook group yesterday. They're going to go big, and the main reason why is Italy is on the verge of collapse, okay? And it is. I'm not saying it's going to collapse, but the ECB cannot allow it to happen. They're going to be very conscious that it is the 8th largest economy in the world, 3rd largest in the zone. Okay, the country's in lockdown. Keep in mind, it's been in recession for a decade. Look at government debt, 2.3 trillion euros, which is 134% of the country's GDP. And what is significant, it has the weakest banks. It does not have enough money to support the banks. Italy will need to be helped, could even have to be bailed out by the ECB and the EU. That means taxpayer money will have to go to help Italy. And we saw that with Greece, okay? Germany obviously is going to have to foot the bill if it comes to it. Greece, minor problem compared to Italy. Now, I'm not saying that Italy is going to collapse, but the ECB can't allow it. Neither can the EU. They've got to take measures. The ECB will take measures tomorrow, in our view. This quote here is very true. Italy's crisis could soon become unimaginable, potentially causing mayhem in world financial markets. It's such a serious situation. So we don't see the ECB being shy tomorrow, let's say, in the action they take. We expect them to flood the zone with liquidity. It's kind of whatever it takes moment. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier, where Mario Draghi made it clear he'd do whatever it took. And I think Christian Lagarde will, and the ECB Council, obviously. Now, in terms of the Euro rally, the Fed, and we've got to look at what they did. And it's what the Fed did that really caused the rally. Nothing obviously going on that's good in the Eurozone. The Fed cut rates by 0.5 basis points, and another 0.75 cut is discounted. Euro carry trades just simply come out the market. When I say Euro carry trades, I mean people who sold the Euro short because it's got negative interest rates and bought the USD because it had positive interest rates, nice differential. Obviously that's reduced now. Probably most of the carry trades are out the market. And I think, risk off is just not going away. Okay. And risk off going forward favours the USD. It's the reserve currency. So I think this rally is a sell. And put it up here. Weekly, monthly resistance zone is 114 to 115. And yeah, we do get above 114, nearly to 115. We roll over, try and rally today, but weak. We don't need to do anything complicated with the technicals. So basically a lower higher rejection down. Sorry, I need to get my line in. Okay, so that's first level resistance. Gonna have second there behind those bodies. Where are we going? We should retrace the whole rally and then go on to 104.50 if we do gain traction to the downside, which is weekly and monthly support. And in terms of, obviously we did a video at the weekend. We've already sold. Okay, so we're round about our entry and we've put our stop back behind 115. We're giving it a bit of room. Okay, so 115.50 on my daily updates. We'll see what happens, but it's not looking good in Eurozone, and I think the ECB are gonna do some big action tomorrow. Now, in terms of EURJPY, we really like the look of it, and I'm just gonna quickly update my chart from the weekend on EURJPY as well, and then we'll move to the proxies because they look really interesting. Right, EURJPY coming up. Right, we're on EURJPY daily chart. We noted the weekend just really choppy price action, but I'm expecting it to end, obviously. Yen number one safe haven currency. Risk off for us is not going away anytime soon, and we're expecting the ECB to act big. So I'm looking for the euro to break out new daily chart lows. Now, in terms of price action, very choppy. Saying the weekend, what you're seeing is the euro going lower in a choppy fashion, basically. So the candles come up here, get through 121, that tail can't get through, that tail can't get through. We sell off that big red, the blue comes back up to try and reach as a heavy volume candle, can't get through 121. Last push the bulls, then through the next round number, can't get through, down, big fall, heavy volume candle, try and take out 119, can't, we roll over. And I think euro tomorrow could really gain traction to the downside. So through 118, I think we'll just go straight down, take out the daily chart lows, go down to 110, then 100. Rallies to 119 should fail. It's only a couple of hundred pips profit in this trade so far, but I'm hoping for a lot more, and I bought my stop in tight to protect me. You can see that there. But this choppy price action, I think, is going to end. And I think when you look at a chart like this, unless you know the sentiment and fundamentals behind it, it's very difficult to just trade price action like that. Odds favour big move to the downside, and I think if we do break this level, 110 then 100, long way to go. We shall see. Right, let's have a look at some euro proxies. This one is USD CZK. Now, in terms of the proxies, they've broken down. They very often break down before the euro. When we're looking for the euro to turn down, proxies tend to break first. Okay, and this is actually one of our favorite types of trade setup. I'll just explain it for anyone who's new to our videos. We tumble down strongly here. The volatility gets higher. You see the Bollinger Bands indicate that when they get wide apart. When we get outside of Bollinger Bands, we're normally looking for exhaustion, and we think this tail is exhaustion, but we'll wait to come back through this level, which was a monthly support level before it broke. It proves to be a failed breakout. Nice big blue punches through. That tail can't get down. Nice and blue today. Break that level straight up to there, then on to 26. I just really like trading high volatility, looking for exhaustion. Now I think Czech krona. If you look at the krona, it's obviously got a decent interest rate on it, but that will be coming down. Czech economy is just so vulnerable to risk off to what's going on in the global economy, also to what's going on in Eurozone. Very overvalued as well, the Czech krona. Dollar undervalued, yeah, up to there, then on to 26. Break this 20-day moving average, and I think you see the volatility pick up. Okay, let's go to my next setup. USDC's okay. Let me go to USD SCK. Again, this one, we get exhaustion, nice wide Bollinger Bands. We see the price poke down towards this major support level. It actually touches it, doesn't it? Comes back through. We can just go long through the level. Nice blue follows through. We do get a candle tail back, but comes back. Going up to chart highs. I've said before about Sweden, just nothing good going on there. USD, I think, yeah, it's going a lot higher. It's been a nice move so far. And last pair we'll look at is the Czech krona's cousin, the Polish zloty. And again, what we do is we go through a level exhaust below that monthly support level, come back, and we'll just go through that level, and we're looking quite firm. Again, we're going for chart highs, and then 420. So I think the proxies, they've turned. Hopefully I haven't cursed the trades now I've said that. And now I think, yeah, Euro USD, yeah, it had a big move up. I think it now can have a big move down. Whatever happens tomorrow, I think the ECB will be very interesting how they react. Yeah, so yeah, really looking forward to it. Yeah, I think, yeah, obviously Euro going down and proxies going down further. We shall see though. Nice volatile markets at the moment, which is always good, right or wrong. Yeah, we want volatility and we're getting it. So let's see if it continues, which I think it will. Right, that is the video for today. Thanks for watching me as usual. Take care. Have a good day.